All right, can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Norma.
And Norma, what city are you from?
I'm from Rochester Hills, Michigan.
All right, Miss Norma. So tell me, what kind of problems were you having before you actually came in to see us for the stem cell therapy?
I was in 24-hour-a-day knee pain, and it was greatly inhibiting my activity. I was becoming a couch potato, gaining weight. I didn't want to vacuum. I didn't want to go to the store even or go shopping because my knees were in pain all the time.
So it was both of them?
Yes.
No, had you seen some people before you came in here?
I had surgery on my right knee probably 5 or 6 years ago.
Okay, how'd that work out for
a
you?
meniscus tear.
Mm-hmm.
It was somewhat successful.
Okay.
But was still having pain with the knees. I've been using orthotics in my shoes for years to keep my knees in line right, but that wasn't fixing the problem either.
Okay. And how was this affecting you, let's say, on like a daily basis, things you would like to do, stuff like that? What were you noticing before you came in here?
Well, I was noticing I would avoid things. Like I would avoid going upstairs until I had 4 or 5 things to get. I would avoid getting in lines at the post office. I just couldn't stand there and wait.
Okay.
Now I can.
Any activities you'd like to go through or anything that you would normally do that now you're having to either stop doing it or you'd have to like decrease it or limit it?
Well, I'm walking my dog much farther now, and we walk much quicker, more briskly. And I'm thinking about taking up golf again this spring.
Well, when's the last time you were golfing now?
3 to 4 years ago.
Because of the knee issue?
Because
or?
of the knee issue, yes.
Okay. And so you said you're walking the dog longer. What other things can you do at home?
Well, I'm still not real big on cleaning, but I prepared meals with much more intensity because I could stand, I could move around my kitchen. Gardening, I had to have a helper with gardening with the digging. I can do that myself now.
How are you doing with stairs now? What was that like before? What's it like now?
I was dragging myself up with my arms, but now I just walk up, even carrying laundry, lots of stuff. It's 100% improved.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that.